Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog.
It's hot as fish grease out here. So this is the finished product. Chains crossing right here. I don't need no material because there's no metal touching metal. You said 50,160 pounds. So right here, I got a piece of liner, whatever you want to call it, in the middle because the metal's touching the metal. It's pretty secure. Chains crossing in the front, chains crossing in the back. They painted the indicator where they want you to secure it. Hook facing me on the tightest length possible. This chain is about 8 feet long, so you gotta wrap it. So I got the 4 chains, 2 crossing in the front, 2 crossing in the back. Then I have 4 straps, each with a working load limit, 6,600 pounds each. Each chain is 6,600 pounds each. Working load limit, WLL, do the math.
I heard his name was Ghost Dog.
They call him the Ghost Dog. They call him the Ghost Dog.
I heard his name was Ghost Dog.
The Ghost Dog. The Ghost Dog.
I heard his name was Ghost Dog.
They call him the Ghost Dog. They call him the Ghost Dog. The Ghost Dog.